Hey everybody, it is spring and summer, and you know what that means? It is barbecue season. So I had a special surprise for my family. I wanted to have something where we could barbecue and sit around and have family time while we were cooking. Kind of like, you know, that place you go and they cook the food right in front of you. Well, that's what we made here. It's something simple. Why don't you guys follow along and I'll show you how we did it. First, I'd like to thank my friends over at DAP for sponsoring this program. They've got some wonderful products that we'll be able to showcase in this video coming up. First thing I did was grab one of my old barbecuers that I have. This is a little tabletop version, but basically what I needed was just the guts on the inside, the burner and the control knob. Boom. Oopsie. Oh, whoa. You should see how hot this is. Yeah. Now, since I knew that this was going to be moved around a lot, what I wanted to use was a product from DAP called Thread Stopper Tape. It absorbs all the vibrations and keeps any bolts and nuts from coming loose. It's real easy to apply. Just pull off a little bit and you wrap it about 2 to 3 times. Once it's wrapped on there, you can start installing the bolt. And the great thing about it is it's not going to come loose, especially when I'm wheeling it around on the back porch. And there we go, perfectly installed. This here is where the next product from DAP comes in. It's called Tank Bond Liquid Grip. Basically, you just apply a little bit to the head of the screw and it's going to give you 7 times more grip. I used it to make sure that I didn't strip my screws going in, especially because I wanted to install the table from the bottom. That way you saw no screws, and it worked perfect. So in this control valve right here, this was normally for those little green tanks of propane that you get. We're gonna burn a lot more than that. So what we wanna do is get the adapter hose. You can hook up a normal 20-pound propane tank to it. So we got this. This is our single burner, because this is all we need. As you can see, the family loved it. The great thing is, it's great family time. You can just sit around there, they can watch you as you cook, and I do again want to thank my wonderful friends over at DAP for sponsoring this video, and I hope everybody just has a wonderful summer.